Hey, this is Carson from Gerber, and this is the Exo Mod series. Built for the expeditionary hunter, it's compact, stackable, and lightweight. It consists of the Exo Mod caper, the Exo Mod drop point, and the Exo Mod saw. Assemble the kit that fits your pursuit, using one independently or nesting multiple together. Full tank construction and skeletonized handles are shared features across the set, delivering added strength and durability while working through game. Each has an ergonomic grip and control choil to keep the knife securely in hand, even in messy and dark conditions. The series answers the different needs of field processing. A caper for fine work and skinning, a drop point for general use, and a saw for optimal cutting with minimal effort. Included with each is a low-profile, innovative sheath that not only functions independently, but also snaps together for the option to carry as a kit. The Exo Mod series is available in two colors, blaze orange or discreet black. Like all Gerber products, the Exo Mods are backed by the Gerber guarantee.